Are you a woman 45 years and older who has experienced life-shattering events? How can you live authentically with enduring inner peace, unstoppable self-confidence, crazy courage, insane self-control, and a clear purpose if you feel stuck or broken, experiencing the frustrating cycle of moving one step forward and 10 steps backwards? Is it possible to live authentically with inner peace, self-confidence, courage, self-control, and a clear purpose without the fear of being unable to recover and properly care for yourself? I bet you've tried going it alone, establishing a support system, attempting to fake it till you make it until you could no longer take it, and the forget about it cure that added insult to injury. And nothing has quite worked for you, right? How do you find the time to withdraw from life and all of its demands to spend countless hours in counseling? If you're a woman over 45 with caregiving responsibilities and a stressful full-time job with limited time off, how do you justify spending money on talk therapy for water under the bridge events if you cannot afford to take time off work to attend sessions and take care of your financial responsibilities at the same time? Why is it so nerve-wracking to wonder if you will ever be able to heal, recover from all of the trauma and life-shattering events in your life? Is the constant battle to live authentically with enduring inner peace, unstoppable self-confidence, crazy courage, insane self-control, and a clear purpose really worth it? Can you really reach a place in life where you are comfortable in your skin, have unstoppable self-confidence, crazy courage, and insane self-control without the fear of being unable to recover and care for yourself? And when should you set aside time to find a place to help you take steps to live authentically with enduring inner peace, unstoppable self-confidence, crazy courage, and insane self-control? Are these characteristics even possible for you? Should you ever think that life can get any better than this? A bumpy, high-speed roller coaster ride filled with ups, downs, twists, and turns at a breakneck pace? Are you currently using pharmaceuticals daily or a mind-numbing substance to help you obtain a false sense of authentic, peaceful self-confidence, courage, self-mastery, and a purposeful existence? What about being a support group member where the support is suffocating and the group culture stunts your growth by spending precious time attempting to drive a car forward while looking out of the rearview mirror? Stop. Just stop. If any or all of the above questions run through your head day after day, I might be able to help. Hello, my name is Erin W. Fryer, affectionately known as Coach Erin here. And while I don't claim to know it all, I have helped hundreds of women 45 years and older who have experienced life-shattering events and desire to live life on their terms and create a legacy that they love, to transform their body and life by creating a sustainable, systematic, step-by-step action plan. They call themselves triumphant livers. And yet, not that long ago, I was in your shoes. Those early days were rough. I'd take a step forward only to take 3 more back. I was drowning in thoughts of remaining broken, ashamed, lacking inner peace, self-confidence, and afraid for the rest of my life, secondary to sexual abuse trauma. From ages 2 to 11. 9 years. And the fallout that lasted for many years later. Anyways, if that's kind of how you feel right now, let me give you a roadmap so that you stop hitting dead ends and getting lost on back roads and instead take a fast lane to an authentic life filled with peace, unstoppable self-confidence, crazy courage, insane self-control, a sense of purpose and legacy, you love. Let me show you that living triumphantly whole is possible. Here is what I'm proposing. I've helped hundreds of women, 45 years and older, who have faced life-shattering events and desire to triumphantly live whole in spirit, mind, and body, enabling them to live life on their terms and create a destiny they love. Reach out to me asking for my help. So I had this wild idea to build a step-by-step plan that will guide you from being stuck to living an authentic life filled with inner peace, unstoppable self-confidence, insane self-control, and crazy courage, clear purpose, and a legacy you love in 7 weeks or less. No fluff, no messing around. Just a simple plan to take you from being hopelessly stuck to living your authentic life filled with inner peace, unstoppable self-confidence, a clear purpose, and tranquility. If you are interested in claiming one of the 10 founder member spots available, comment below with a triumphant liver. More details to follow. Stay tuned. Living Triumphantly Whole. Coach Erin, a triumphant liver here. Have a wonderful evening, and I will talk with you soon. Bye-bye.